single ladies. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit crazy. Da, da, da. You see all these colors on my arm? My daughter picked them all. So today is Valentine's Day, and it is also my daughter's birthday. We in our house don't celebrate Valentine's Day because it's her birthday, so that's what our focus is. And for her birthday this year, I decided I wanted to let her pick out some of her favorite color eyeshadows, and I'll make a video with her favorite colors. She's turning 9 today, and at first she thought maybe she could pick her 9 favorite eyeshadows for me to use, but there was more than 9 that she loves and that she wants me to use. So then she said, 9 and 9 is 18. So how about I pick 18 eyeshadows? I'm stressed. I'm so stressed out right now. I don't know what's happening. I swatched all of these already because I thought it would take too much time for me to swatch them all live for you guys. So I'm just gonna tell you real quick where these colors came from. The first 6 on my arm, so all the way down through the purple, are the bottom 6 of the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And then for my ColourPop Chasing Rainbows palette, she picked Lucid, Eclipse, On One, and Blurred Lines. So those are the next 4 on my arm. And then the rest of them came from the James Charles palette. From the James Charles palette, she picked Playground, Hello, Halloween, You're Kidding, Single, Skip, Escape, and Acapella. That's the rest of these colors on my arm. It's gonna be so much fun. Yay. Okay. So this is not a tutorial. This is probably going to be a disaster. So, I think this red and pink are what I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna put my red, my pink. I mean, I feel like I'll tell you each one that I'm using, and I'm actually gonna cross them off my list as I go to make sure I use them all, but I'm not gonna get into too much detail. I don't want this video to be too long. This is just supposed to be a fun thing to do. It's a challenge for me, and I like challenges. I'm gonna start with Skip, the bright pink, and just hop right in. I honestly still have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm serious. This is going to be a disaster. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I might start with this color from the Zulu palette. So I'm gonna go this order. 1, 2, 3, 4, starting in my crease, and then I'll let you know what I'm doing from there. I did actually put concealer on my eyes today to prime them instead of the NYX pencil, which I really like, but my eyes are stained a little bit from some other videos that I've been doing, and I wanted to make sure it would cover up because the pencil doesn't cover it all up, and I have like pink and red staining on my eyes. So I have concealer there. What did I say? Okay, starting with this color. I have no idea if I'm even gonna be able to fit this many eyeshadows on my eyes. And my eyes are already stained bright pink right here anyway. That's one thing I noticed is I feel like my eyes don't stain as much when I use concealer to prime them instead of the jumbo pencil, but I do feel like the colors work better on top of the NYX pencils. And I just need more of that shade from the Zulu palette to blend these together because, you know, we gotta make sure we look pretty and blended. All right, now the pink from Zulu was my next one. Once I'm done with these 4, I'm just gonna mark them off in my notebook. And if you guys saw my video using all the shades in the NYX palette, when you put this many colors on your eyes, they kind of all just blend together, especially if they're similar colors. So I probably will lose some color along the way of like certain things, like that bright pink is gone now. But I am glad that she picked 3 of my favorite palettes to choose colors from. After she hit 18 in the James Charles palette, I was like, okay, that's 18, that's good, all right, let's go, because I didn't want her to pick any more colors. This is where we're at. 3 palettes, 18 colors, it's fine. All right, and for the red, okay, I'll do it. She did pick a lot of cool tone shades though. This is You're Kidding in the James Charles palette. I'm also not worrying about making both of my eyes like completely even with application. Like they might be a little bit off, but I'm just worrying about getting all the colors onto my actual eyes. And then, you know, If it looks good afterwards, then great. Moving on. What am I doing next? This is hard. I'm gonna use Halloween just to get that one out of here. And I know she's probably gonna watch this, so I love you, Cassidy, so much, and I hope you had a great birthday. We keep her out of school for her birthday every year because on different kids' birthdays, you can bring in like goodie bags for people and like celebrate their birthday. But for her, it's their Valentine's Day celebration at school. So we decided that we're gonna keep her out of school on her birthday and just make the day about her. These are like super uneven. That's okay. I guess I'm gonna move into some purples. So I'm just gonna go with what I feel is lightest to darkest for purple. So I'm gonna go in with this one, and then, this one, and then this one. So one from Juvia's and two from James Charles. The first one is from James Charles. I'm getting a lot of text messages right now. So we'll do single first. This is gonna be quite an interesting transition. Oh, single ladies. Does anyone else think of that song every time they use this color? Because I sing it in my head every time. All right, now the purple from the Zulu palette. Still holding this pen. Why do I do this? I just edited a video and there's a point in that video where I'm literally holding onto a brush I'm not using for so long, and I'm just like holding it up in the air like this and then just continuing to do my makeup, and I'm just holding this brush there, and I'm like watching myself editing, and I'm like, put the fucking brush down. What are you doing? Oh well. And this is probably gonna be pretty blown out just because I don't have enough room, because I need to count how many I've used already. But next I'm taking the darker purple from the James Charles palette. Whoa! Dropped my pen. Dun, 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 dun. Maybe I'll just try like a super tiny brush. And I'm gonna kind of bring this like out here. See how that goes. This is the shade Escape. If I can make this work, I'm gonna be so happy because I am so scared to do this video. You guys don't even know. Or maybe you do. Have you done this? Have you used this many eyeshadows on your eyes before? Okay, get it even, Andra. Get it even. Nope, that's not right. That's about as uneven as I could possibly get. What am I doing? Whatever. At least I can laugh at myself. Kind of like that side better. I'm gonna make a giant mess. My base makeup is already done, but whatever. Still very uneven, but that's okay. I guess it's going like way out here because I just can't stop. Well, that's kind of fun looking. All right, let me mark these off. Was I just holding this in my hand the whole time? You've got to be kidding me. I just said it. Why am I doing that? So I should have 10 more colors left. It's fine. I should like wipe these off my arm as I use them so I know what colors I have left. I might actually do that. I'm still holding this fucking brush. What is wrong with me? I actually used all these 4 on the bottom, so I'm gonna wipe those off. I have these 10 colors left. All right, I'm gonna move into ColourPop for a minute and use a couple of those. The first one I'm gonna use is Blurred Lines, and I'm gonna use that on my brow bone. Okay, that brush I was holding for a year, where'd it go? Oh my God, on my lap, it's on my lap. Don't worry. Blurred Lines going on the brow bone. Not really a brow bone to put it on. Still there, you can see it. Well, I can see it, I don't know if you can see it. Fun! I'm gonna move back to the smaller brush and put this brush down. I'm gonna use Lucid, which is this one. So I just used this guy. Now I'm gonna use Lucid and maybe a little bit of Eclipse too. But Lucid for sure is coming next. And I'm actually gonna spray it just because this is gonna make a giant mess if I don't. Sorry if I'm not looking at the camera a lot. I just have a lot to look at right now. All right, Lucid. I'm gonna use this to kind of, I don't even know, make this a little sparkly on the edges. Yeah, I am gonna use Eclipse too. I may use it again somewhere else, but I have so many other colors. I just want to make sure I get this one in because it doesn't really match with anything else. And I'm actually gonna try this one up here instead of the other one. Maybe just do a little outline here of some of this. I don't know, guys, I'm winging it. What would you do? It's raining outside right now and it's really messing with the natural light that I usually use. I'm really annoyed. So I only have one more color in the ColourPop palette now, and that's On One, and that's this like dark blue, and this will go down somewhere. I don't know. I'm just bringing that right to this shimmery shade and then stopping. It's kind of neat. Kind of me panicking because I don't know what to do. Let me wipe off these colors and we'll see what we got left. All right, so now we've got basically blues and greens. That's exciting. So I'm gonna use the blues on this part of my lid, and I think I'm just gonna put the greens on my lower lash line. Oh my gosh, what? I'm actually gonna start with the last ColourPop color that we have, which is On One. And I'm gonna start to bring this from here down to my eyelid. And I am spraying this one as well. Anyone else wish they could blow their own face? Jeez. I don't know why I'm attempting to make this look so good because it's wishful thinking. That's about as good as it's gonna get. I told you it's not gonna be super even, probably. I'm just gonna kind of go in order here. So I'm gonna use Acapella, Playground, and Hello. I think that's what the names of those are. Acapella, Playground, Hello. Yes, I'm right. Acapella. I hope that this lighting is okay for you guys. I feel bad. I need to get some more lights and just block off this window because it annoys me. Weather affects when I can film, but I need to get this done. And I actually need to pre-film a shit ton of videos because I'm babysitting a few days next week for full days and I'm not gonna be able to do anything. All right, Playground. I love this blue. I also really like Brother, but she didn't pick that one. All right, and now for Hello. 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 I feel like this was a little bit easier for me than I thought it was gonna be because of the NYX one that I just did with all the colors in that palette. But at least like I was able to kind of make them work together. I don't know, this is just a jumbled mess of colors, but I figured that's what it was gonna be. She didn't try to pick a color scheme or a color story for me. She just picked her favorite eyeshadows, and that's fine. That's what I asked her to do. So that's what I'm doing. Brush off my face again. Where'd that fluffy brush just go? Am I crazy? I'll just, nope, that's dirty. Oh, here we go. I just have the lower lash line left, and all I have is these three colors. So I'm gonna put them on. I think this is gonna be outer edge. This is gonna be middle, and then this lime green will connect to the blue on the inner corner. I want these colors to be nice and vibrant too, so I'm just gonna use a big brush and really smoke it out down there. And that is these three colors in the Zulu palette. I'm starting with the matte green. Oh my. There is eyeshadow on my eyeball, and it's a lot of eyeshadow. That's fun. Next is this one. That's actually not too bad. Good job, Juvia's Place. There's really no fallout. I love this color, it's so pretty. Now, I don't think you've seen my first impression on the Juvia's Place palette yet. Now I'm into that lime green. Can't really see. There's literally so much eyeshadow on my eyeballs. These greens though, oh my gosh. We're just gonna embrace all the wrinkles and creases happening down here. And I think I'm gonna attempt my blue mascara again and put blue on my top lashes, and I'll put green mascara on my lower lashes. And probably some, you know, colored eyeliner. I don't know. There is officially 18 colors of eyeshadow on my eyes. Whoa. All right, I'm going to do my mascara and eyeliner, and I'll come back for my final thoughts. Okay guys, my mascara's on and my phone's about to die. So let me know what you think in the comments. I tried to put blue mascara on my upper lashes, and honestly, I have this blue Snapscara by Maybelline, and it's just not as bright of blue as I wanted it to. I used a white mascara base. It still is not showing up as bright as I want it to, and it just kind of clumped up my eyelashes. Then I put green mascara on the bottom, and that's basically it. I have 18 eyeshadows on my eyes right now. Let me know how you think I did, if you would have done something differently, if you've done anything like this. This was a lot of fun, and I like challenges, and I thank you all so much for watching this video. It means so much to me, and I hope you're having a wonderful Valentine's Day. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time.